Hey, Andre, one of my early students at my Coffee Break Python email series has the question: how much do I have to learn before I can get started as a Python freelancer? And in general, my question is very simple. In general, my answer to this question is very simple. Start right away, no matter how large the skill level is. But I know that many Python coders just starting out don't want to start right away because they don't have the confidence yet to start taking on projects. And the reason is that, I don't know, they have never quite finished a Python project, and of course this gives them doubts, and they have this fear of not finishing through with of not being able to finish through with the project. And if you want to overcome this fear, then I recommend that you start doing some archived freelance projects. So there's one link that I always recommend. You can find the link at freelancercom/archives. I give the link in the description below. And in this video, on this resource, you will find not only a few, but all the projects in different areas like Python, data science and machine learning that have ever been published on the freelancer.com platform. It's a bit tedious to find the projects that are not very crappy. So I have written a blog article, which I will also give the link in the description below, about 10 projects which you can start doing today in order to get some practice. And then I recommend that you invest 70% of your learning time finishing these projects. So select one project and then finish this project. No matter your current skill level, even if you are a complete beginner, then it will just take you maybe weeks to finish the project, which earned the freelancer $20, for example. But then, of course, then you have worked weeks to earn $20 and you have improved your skill level. And similar projects will now be much easier to solve. Maybe then for these similar projects you will need only 1 week to finish it, and maybe for the next project which is similar you will need only 3 days. And this is the way how you can increase your hourly rate exponentially in the beginning until your progress flattens out and you reach some convergence in your hourly rate. And then of course it's important that you specialize even further, that you select your skills that are interesting for you and specialize on those skills. So my answer to the question is: start early, start now. If you need some confidence, then go visit my page about 10 practical Python freelance projects and select one and start right away with the first that sounds interesting to you. Also, if you want to know how much you can earn, so if you want to have this overall picture, what is the state of Python freelancing in 2019 and 2020 and beyond, and how much you can earn, then check out my free webinar, where I will give the third link in the description below. You can register for the webinar. It takes maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and I will explain you in detail what is the state of the art, how much can you expect to earn in comparison to employees, and what is the future outlook, and where are some interesting job opportunities. If you like the video and if you like to get some more insights about the state of the art in Python freelancing, then give me a like, a subscribe, or comment below with yes, I want to learn more about freelancing. Otherwise, comment below and tell me what do you want to learn about in the Python space. Thanks for watching again, and see you soon.